Good afternoon, students. I am going to give you a guidelines and teach you a lesson. Unit number 1, 1.2. Androcles and the line. Androcles and the line means Androcles आणि सिंह. So we are going to important activity, a chit chat. First, all of you listen carefully. Attention. Have you ever helped anyone? Why? Yes, I have helped Saket because he is my best friend. How did you help him or her? During examination, Saket forgot his pen. Then I offered him my extra pen. Has anyone ever helped you in your need? Yes, my neighbor helped me in my need. How did you feel at that time? I felt very happy at that time. How did you show your gratitude to him or her? I showed my gratitude to my neighbor by saying thank you and giving him his favorite book as a gift. So, boys, I want to read his lesson. You listen very carefully. See, long ago, there lived a kind, gentle and courteous man called Androcles, but he had a very cruel master. In those days, kings, nobles, and other wealthy men used poor people as their slaves. Androcles was a slave. The slaves were forced to the work for their masters. They had to do what their masters told them. They had no freedom, no rights. Even when they were unhappy with their master, they could not leave him. They were bound by law to obey their master, however wicked he might be. Androcles did not like his heartless, wicked master. His master starved his slaves and often whipped them. Androcles felt that even death was better than serving such a master. He kept looking out for a good opportunity. At the first chance he got, he escaped from the clutches of his cruel master. Now, although Androcles had thus run away, he was not afraid of the wild beasts that roamed the forest. He did not mind that he had no roof over his head. He was happy that he was free as a bird to go wherever he wished. One day he was wandering in the forest. He suddenly came face to face with a lion. His first reaction was to turn and flee. But then he saw that the lion had not moved on seeing him. It neither growled nor roared. In fact, it looked at him piteously as if it was in great pain. So, children, I want to summarize this lesson in simple English. The story Androcles and the line is said to have been written by Aesop, the great Greek storyteller, who was summoned of his stories from the animal kingdom with a moral. In ancient times, a slave named Androcles escaped from his master and fled into the forest. And he wandered there for a long time until he was tired. Just then he heard a lion near him, roaring and groaning, and at times roaring terribly. It was coming towards him. It was coming towards him. Instead of attacking him, it kept on moaning and groaning and looking at Androcles, who was that the lion was holding out his right paw, which was covered with blood and very much swollen. Looking more closely at it, Androcles saw a great big thorn pressed into the paw, which was the cause of lion's trouble. Plucking of courage, he removed the thorn from the lion's paw. Then the lion found relief, and it rubbed up against Androcles and showed it gratitude. One day some soldiers came marching through the forest and found Androcles and the lion. They looked them back to the city. Androcles was put in chains in a prison, and the lion was caged. Androcles was condemned to death because he had fled from his master. It is the custom in ancient Greek to throw murderer and other criminals to the lions, and on the appointed day he was led forth into the arena. So boys, you have listened carefully in simple language of summary for this lesson. Now I will ask you some questions. You listen carefully and try to write in your notebooks. See, first question: what type of man was Androcles? Androcles was a kind, gentle, and courteous man. He obeyed the respected his master. Second question: why were the slaves unhappy with their masters? The slaves were unhappy with their masters because they were forced to work. They had no freedom, no rights. They had to do only what their masters told them. Now students, read this lesson again and again carefully and write the below questions answer in your notebook. Thank you, students.